Welcome to Meditation Eye, the channel dedicated to helping you improve your mental health through meditation, mindfulness, and visualization techniques. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates on our latest videos. Today, we're exploring the concept of creating sacred space at home. A sacred space is a personal sanctuary where you can retreat, meditate, reflect, and connect with your inner self. It's a place that resonates with your energy, a place where you can express your spirituality and find peace amidst the chaos of daily life. Creating a sacred space at home is not about dedicating an entire room or investing in expensive artifacts. It's about creating a space that reflects your personality, your beliefs, and your aspirations. It can be a quiet corner in your living room, a dedicated spot in your garden, or even a small table by your bedside. The first step in creating a sacred space is decluttering. A clutter-free environment not only looks pleasing but also helps in reducing stress and enhancing focus. So, start by clearing out any unwanted items from your chosen space. Next, consider the elements you want to include in your sacred space. These elements should be things that inspire you, make you feel comfortable, and help you connect with your inner self. It could be a favorite book, a cherished photograph, a beautiful plant, or a set of calming stones. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood for your sacred space. Soft, warm lighting can create a soothing atmosphere, perfect for meditation and reflection. You can use candles, fairy lights, or even a small lamp with a warm light bulb. Incorporating nature into your sacred space can also be incredibly calming. Consider adding a small indoor plant or a vase of fresh flowers. If your sacred space is outdoors, try to set it up in a place where you can feel the warmth of the sun, the cool breeze, or the rustling of leaves. Remember, your sacred space is a reflection of you. It should be a place where you feel at peace, a place that inspires you to introspect and connect with your inner self. So, take your time in setting it up. Add elements that resonate with you, remove things that don't, and don't be afraid to change it up as you evolve on your spiritual journey. Before we conclude, don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Your feedback helps us create content that you love. Stay tuned for more videos on meditation and mindfulness. Until next time, keep exploring, keep growing,